Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Atomic Wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Atomic Wallet app and then log in your account. After this, simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw and then simply click on this send button. And after this, simply open exchange platforms such as Binance or Coinbase. After this, simply go to your assets option, and from here simply click on this deposit button. Once you do that, simply click on this deposit crypto option. On here, simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. In our case, we are receiving Bitcoin, so simply select it and then select the network. And after this, they will give you deposit address. So just copy that deposit address and then go back to Atomic Wallet and then paste that Atom Wallet address here and then enter the amount which you want to transfer, and then simply click on this send X Bitcoins. This will display the Bitcoins you are sending or the cryptocurrency you are sending. So simply click on that and then this will transfer your Bitcoins Atomic Wallet to Binance or any other exchange platform. And from here you can simply convert it into US dollars or any other currency and then transfer it to your bank account. So that's how you can withdraw cryptocurrency from Atomic Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.